Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to remove straps, okay, from this WWE superstars. So example, now, so my player is Undertaker. So in order to do that right, what you need to do is, you need to press and hold this R2 and this down button. R2 and this down button, D-pad, not analog stick. You need to use D-pad, okay. Example, now I'm going to okay, cool. I will come down and here I will do it. So R2 and this down button, R2 and down, press and hold. So that's the difference. Now I'm going to change the character of change the player. So curved angle. These 6 people only we can remove the straps, okay. So now I'm going to choose curved angle. Let's see. R2 and D-pad, down D-pad. Super cool, right? Okay, and then now I'm going to change this control assignment. Only these 6 people only can do it. Okay, and yeah, now R2 and down, R2 and D-pad. Oh god, R2 and D-pad, R2 and down D-pad. Yes. Next, I'm going to change to Damien Priest. So control assignment, I'm going to change him. Okay, Damien Priest. R2 and the down D-pad. Super cool, right? And now I'm going to finally change this to Julius, Chad Gable. R2 and down D-pad. And one more is there, Julius. So control assignment. So R2 button and the down D-pad. So that's it, friends. Only these 6 people you can remove the straps. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.